I'm Shirley Nakawatase. Today's recipe is creamy chicken piccata. Our ingredients were real simple. I used 3 split chicken breasts, 4 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, 2 garlic cloves chopped, a splash of white wine, a Sauvignon Blanc, a lemon juiced, a 1/4 cup of capers. So here we have 3 chicken half breasts that are split halfway through the width, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pound them, salt and pepper to taste, dredge them in flour, and then fry them in salted butter and olive oil, an equal mixture of both. One of the reasons why you pound the meat is not only to get it thinner, but it also breaks down the meat fibers, making it a wee bit tender. And you got to be careful with the chicken breast because overcooking will definitely make them harder, tougher, and less palatable. So we've broken down the meat fibers, we beat the flour into it. We're going to have a nice crispy crust around it. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. I'm going to take half a stick of butter, that's 2 ounces, and add the same amount of olive oil into the pan, about another 2 ounces. So in mixing the butter and the olive oil together, what we've got is a pretty good mixture, not only of flavor, but enough of the fats in there to make this a very, very good and crispy dish. If we had just butter, it would brown and burn before this dish was finished. So I'll place these fillets in here. Because I have so very much and I don't want to crowd them, I'm going to put them in 2 batches. And the first, I'll put in the first 3. And I will brown it on both sides. So you can see here we've got a nice brown golden crust forming on the chicken piccata. Now that I've removed the chicken breast from the pan, I'm going to go ahead and put them on a plate and set them aside, and I have the drippings left. To these drippings, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cloves of finely minced chopped garlic, a 1/4 cup of capers, and the lemons will still go ahead and deglaze the pan. If you wish, I will use this is a Sauvignon Blanc. I'll use a Sauvignon Blanc also to deglaze it. Perfectly optional. Some people like it, some people don't. Now that the pan is deglazed, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of chicken broth. And here's what makes the recipe. Philadelphia brand cream cheese. This gives it the certain pop and wow that we all love. It gives it a creaminess and just adds so much more to the texture and flavor. Now that the chicken is back in the pan, the piccata sauce is bubbling around it. I'm going to go ahead and shut the heat off and get ready to plate it. Okay. I went ahead and cooked up some hot buttered noodles. I'm going to put them on the plate first. And then place the chicken piccata on the platter. With the chicken piccata sauce. Now to finish this, I went ahead and went out to my garden and I picked some parsley. So there we go. This dish is the creamy chicken piccata dish, and it hails from northern Italy with a splash of Southern California added to it. I want to go to Italy and visit my mother-in-law's hometown of Montefiascone near Rome. She talks about growing up there and all the wonderful experiences she had.